I'm here with Dan Dwyer. How was the Dalby cattle sale today, Dan?
Thanks, Tanya. Today, the combined agency yarded total is 6,573 head, back 971 on last week. The heavy export job was firm. The lighter cattle were trending to a softer market. Now for the reports.
Bullock 600 kg plus 415 to 448 to average 428, back 4 cents. Heavy feeder steers 4 to 500 kg 412 to 508 to average 472, firm on last week. Heavy feeders heifers 4 to 500 kg 352 to 458 to average 413, back 30. Prime cows 520 plus 360 to 420 to average 385, up 10. Medium cows 4 to 500 kg 233 to 336 to average 301, back 17. Store cows up to 400 kg 210 to 288 to average 247, back 8 cents. Heavy bulls 360 to 463 to average 417, back 10 cents. Light bulls 333 to 350 to average 346, back 31. Yearling feeder steers 3 to 400 kg 422 to 500 to average 475, back 7. Yearling feeder heifers 3 to 400 kg 330 to 458 to average 397, back 21. Weaner steers 2 to 300 kg 450 to 538 to average 490, back 2. Weaner heifers 2 to 300 kg 340 to 366 to average 407, back 8 cents.
This has been Dan Dwyer with this week's Dalby Market Report. Next week, Eastern Rural will be selling in 5th position, so get your bookings in nice and early. Thank you.